Yo, what's up everybody? It's RJ here and welcome to our channel.
Tomorrow's never promised, but now is the time for hopes arising.
It is Friday the 6th of May, so I thought I'd do a flashback Friday for you guys. It's been a while since I posted something on this channel. Now, this is just a video that I've been meaning to upload last year after our trip to Mildura in August. It's taken me a while to do this, so I thought I'll do a flashback Friday, upload a video, and you guys can check it out. Now, I've done 2 episodes already, which you can find on the channel. I'll put the description below. Go check it out if you haven't already. In this episode, you're gonna see a pink lake in Victoria, which I didn't know about that existed. I've been living in Victoria pretty much most of my life. A campsite up on the Marley in a place called Boundary Bend. Me fixed my diesel heater that was blowing white smoke, clogged up with carbon. So I'll show you that in this video. Let's go check it out. Hope you guys enjoy it. All right, this morning we had issues with our diesel heater. Been blowing white smoke.
Or Tyrell, as
Tyrell?
RJ calls it. Lake Tyrell. Victoria's biggest salt lake.
What's this place called?
Hatter, isn't it?
Hatter.
Huh?
Hatter?
Depends on your accent, I guess.
Wow.
Hatter, Hatter, Hatter. Touchscreen?
No.
Is it just pretend?
Oh, you have to put money in it.
Is it pretend?
Why is it attached?
Hello?
Why is it attached?
I don't know, it's no screen.
Is it
Oh, it's free now.
Is it pretend that?
It's a pretend phone.
All right, this morning we had issues with our diesel heater. Been blowing white smoke. So played around with it this morning and still couldn't get it running. So I thought take it apart and have a look inside. Have a look at this. Filthy, can you see it?
Yeah.
Absolutely filthy. That's just carbon.
Oh,
So-
look at that.
Yeah. Couldn't ignite it, wouldn't go. Yeah, so this is my last resort. Take it out and clean it out.
That's the
Hopefully it'll
verdict.
work. Hopefully it'll work now when I put it back together. But yeah, so white
Especially when it's
smoke.
been 0 degrees.
If you find that your diesel heater is blowing up white smoke, could be this, possibly. So, but I reckon it'll be this. So I'm gonna clean it up.
Hopefully,
and
we'll see.
Hopefully.
We'll
get
report back
to you.
if it's not.
Diesel heater full of gunk. Mental. That is crazy. Crazy. Oh.
Wondering if thousands of miles away,
Victoria's biggest salt lake, and it is amazing. If you haven't been,
it's as if I
definitely on the list.
yesterday
For sure.
when I'm thinking of you.
Look at that. Glassy.
Have a morning coffee.
salty goodness. Lick it.
I don't think so.
I don't know if Marley wants it back, so it's fine.
Saturday morning, isn't it? Alright guys, it's Saturday morning and a beautiful one. The sun's out, blue sky here on Boundary Bend 1200 campsite.
Morning, guys.
Yeah, 10 minutes from Boundary
Morning,
Bend itself.
guys.
On the west side, now there's two campsites that you can go to. One where we are now and the other one is at Boundary Bend itself near the caravan park there. So where we are, it's more a bit secluded. Beautiful. We got our little private spot.
Don't forget it comes with ambulance.
Yes.
And I saw a big one last night.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Wow.
It was really big. I thought it was gonna bite me.
Yeah. Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big
A
game.
big one. It is our 8th day on the road of our 2-week little holiday getaway. So the boys are excited to get the fire going.
Yeah.
Look at you, show me your boots. No. No. Is this the wood delivery you got from Druin?
Yeah. I ordered some wood. Sorry, I didn't took so long to get it. That's alright.
We only needed it last week. Okay.
Alright.
Are you feeding on it?
Hey. Here we are. Mask off. We heard the news today.
We'll be stuck here. So lockdown from 1 PM today, which is what? How long away? An hour, maybe?
Yeah.
Yeah, and
2. So we're basically just going to stay where we are camped at the moment. We're not going to go any further like we originally planned. Yeah, so basically we're just going to hang out at the campsite, the campground that we're staying at.
Yep.
And probably just go home a little bit earlier than what we planned.
Tell you what, I'd rather be out and about than being stuck at home for the last remaining week of my holiday.
Especially since the weather's like 22 or something today.
Yeah, 24 tomorrow up here on the Marley, so that's pretty good.
okay, guys, I'm gonna show you some more people. Here's Mummy.
Oh, yep, there I am. Hello. What are you doing? I hope you didn't touch those worms.
Mummy doesn't like them. Here's Poppy.
Hello. We're putting our rubbish in the container so it doesn't fly around everywhere. Then we're going to put that into the rubbish bin. Okay? Cool.
Milla's inside my little brother, and I'm gonna meet it one more time. She doesn't really like worms. I got some worms for you, Mum.
What?
Some worms! Mummy, here's our worm. Here's the fire. Gonna eat some marshmallows.
Worm head!
Oh, that was bullseye.
Look at me. Yes.
Oh.
There you go.
I'm gonna get
Who would have thought? Took you 3 days? 4 days?
That's the carp.
Oh.
Definitely not a carp.
Nah, it's a golden. Marley, just leave it. Golden perch.
Is it?
Yeah.
Jeez. Well, put it out of its misery.
You're putting it back in, or you don't want to take a photo, yeah? What's your Thursday morning? So regional Victoria has gone back to lockdown about 5 days ago, and today's the day to head back home after a little bit of freedom.
Home.
Straight home.
Been pulled up once by some police. Lockdown restrictions, so they've checked us.
Yeah, that was about half an hour drive from our campsite to get done.
Up along, because the Murray's up along the border, New South Wales and Victorian border, so they said there'll be a lot of police along that area, obviously checking people going into different states.
Yeah.
But we're good.
We're good.
So we'll see what the next couple of hours brings.
Yeah, I've got a feeling that I'm going to get pulled over again, so.
2 hours and 5 minutes tomorrow.
2 hours and 5 minutes. Alright guys, that was it for a Flashback Friday. It was good to get away during COVID, so we made it back home. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.